Look at what we got here. We got some of our geese already coming over to see what I'm doing. I'm not even started filming yet. Yep, another day in the world. Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, I'm super excited right now. Just got my new grill in, put that together, got some lights overhead of it. So things are looking up. Still need some more lights, but we'll get there. Got some geese over here. They're checking out what I did. So all good. Today, we're going to do a Catfish Poboy using the Pitboss Classic and Uncle C's Gator Shake. This stuff is great on seafood. If you haven't had it yet, you got to try it. So let's go ahead and get started. Today we're using 2.5 pounds worth of catfish nuggets that I've already taken the time to clean off, wash off, and try to peel off as much of the skin as possible, check for bones and everything else like that. Today we're using Louisiana's New Orleans style fish fry breading mix that I know it's already got some seasoning in it, but I like to kick it up a little bit more than that. So we're going to put about an ounce worth of the Gator Shake in it. And then we're going to mix that around. This is the 22 ounce box of breading mix that I have here. Now I cracked 6 eggs and whisked that together. Might be a little excessive, but I'd rather have more egg than less eggs. So what we're going to do here is bread a fish, dip it, then bread it again. Bread a fish, dip it, bread it again. Now that they've been breaded, go ahead and take a little bit of cooking spray, spray over top of them, and then go ahead and put them on the Pitboss at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until they crisp up and are ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on now, set it to smoke, and open it up, and let all that white nasty smoke exit out of it. Because you don't want any of that inside of your fish or meat or whatever else you have that you're going to be putting on this grill. The white smoke is gone. We're going to go ahead and shut it down and kick it up to 400 degrees. All right, it's been half an hour. Oh, they look beautiful. We're going to go ahead and take them over to our working surface now and get them ready for the poboy. Now it's time to start building our poboy. Right here we have Leidenheimer's poboy bread from New Orleans. This is some of the finest poboy bread you can get your hands on. Since I live close enough to it, I'm able to get my hands on it. To me, this is really the only poboy bread that matters. First, we're going to start off with a little concoction I made up. This is half tartar sauce, half cocktail sauce. That's something I like to do. Next, we're going to throw in a little bit of lettuce. Lettuce. I'm going to go ahead and put our fish on now. Put our pickles. And our 2 tomatoes. There we have it. Our overstuffed po' boy. All right, everybody. Now it's the time we've all been waiting for. Time for the taste test. Tastes fantastic. Right level of heat from the fish fry and the gator shake that was used. Right level of crunch. Absolutely phenomenal. You got to give this a try. We use absolutely no grease, just a little bit of olive oil spray on top of the fish and on the pan so it didn't stick. Just put it in the Pitboss at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. They come out crunchy. You got to give this a try. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.